Managing a large number of mobile devices often leads to a chaotic workspace filled with tangled cables and dozens of individual power bricks. When you need to sync data across 10, 20, or more smartphones, the lack of a centralized management system quickly becomes a major bottleneck for any professional workflow. To solve this, developers and technicians often turn to specialized USB hub boxes. These devices are designed specifically for phone farms, offering a consolidated platform to power and manage multiple units at once. Available in 20, 40, and 60 port configurations, they help regain control over your hardware environment. The primary function of these hubs is to provide a stable, centralized power source. By replacing individual chargers with a single high-capacity hub, you simplify the electrical load and ensure that every connected device receives consistent power, which is critical for long-term reliability in any automated testing setup. Beyond power, these hubs are engineered for batch synchronization. This means you can connect a single control computer to the hub and manage data transfers or software updates across all connected smartphones simultaneously. This capability is essential for those running repetitive tasks across a large device array. These units are primarily intended for professional scenarios, such as mobile app development testing, quality assurance labs, or automated testing farms. If you find yourself manually updating or testing apps on dozens of devices, moving to a unified hardware platform will significantly increase your daily operational speed. When selecting a unit, consider your current and future scaling needs. Whether you choose the 20, 40, or 60 port model depends entirely on how many devices you intend to manage. It is generally wise to allow for some extra overhead to accommodate future growth without needing to purchase additional hubs. Before you commit, ensure you have the appropriate physical space and cooling for these units. Because they handle a high volume of connections, they can generate heat. Placing them in a well-ventilated rack or a dedicated shelf is a standard best practice to maintain the longevity of the hub components. Always verify the power specifications per port to ensure they match your device's charging requirements. Check for compatibility with your specific operating system and ensure your software supports batch control protocols. Taking these steps before your purchase will prevent compatibility issues and ensure a smooth setup. Building a stable phone farm is an investment in your productivity. These industrial-style USB hubs provide the necessary infrastructure to keep your equipment organized and functional. By focusing on reliable hardware, you can spend less time troubleshooting connection issues and more time on actual development or testing work. In summary, a high-port USB hub is a specialized tool that transforms how you manage multiple devices. It offers the stability, synchronization, and organization required for professional environments. Evaluate your specific port count needs and power requirements to select the right model for your particular infrastructure needs.